Alright, it's G-Mech, back with another video. Bought this saw some time ago. Dewalt 20 volt XR 12-inch chainsaw. Model number DCC S66X20. More info in description below. We're going to do a quick review video. And I'll show my Sawzall video. Cutting the lumber off this trailer. So we're going to see if this thing, I got I think a 5 amp, let's see here, 6 amp hour battery in it. So let's see how well this does to cut the planks off that side, because this is getting all redone. Check out the description. I'll put a link to this video in there, depending on which is first or whatever, depending on that. But we're going to do a product review video right now. And then we'll also do that Sawzall as well. So here we go.
I'd say that works better.
So far so good. That works pretty good for that. Should be for cutting trees. My negative is getting close to the middle.
Okay.
There you have it. Still the Dewalt chain on there. I used it a few times in trimming some trees around my property. So let's check out, which I put a heavier blade in this. The Dewalt, and this is corded 110 volt DWE 304. Get another blade for that. This blade is partially used, but still should be in good shape. We'll cut some more with this. Fortunately, going in spots here to cut these planks, because we're fighting with all the screws, as you can see right there. So my idea is the planks are bad anyway, to go in and cut them off, but this section to cut, the brake line's in the way. So we don't want to cut the brake line or the electrical if we can help it. Alright, so Sawzall. This is a couple years old too. I do believe they still make it. Pretty cool. Still made in USA. Let's see how we do here. Alright, that went through that pretty quick. So you decide. Is the chainsaw better? Or is the Sawzall reciprocating saw? I knew there was a better name for it. So you got Sawzall. You know, we have obviously in a comparison video, one thing the chainsaw cannot do, which this thing shines on, is when you want to go in there, cut those screws off. You can go right between the rail and the board and cut that right off like it's nothing. So that's one benefit. I want to show also, this thing is very easy, you know, very simple quick release for changing blades, which is a very good thing. What's cool is you have choices. This case here, I'm working in the shop, so that thing becomes handy. That's why I never bought a battery powered one. And I guess just never looked for a deal. And then we also got the chainsaw, both Dewalt. I am a big fan of Dewalt. And then when you're into those 20 amp batteries. So, but anyway, quick product review video while disassembling this trailer. So, did they both work very much? No, not really, but just showing you diversification. That chainsaw is very handy in places like you just want to go and grab and go, throw a battery in it, cut a limb that fell down, and I've cut some pretty good stuff with that thing. So, anyway, we're going to get keeping on with disassembling this trailer. Get this thing cleaned up. Stay tuned for that. I'll put a description in this video for that as well. So this is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, keep on wrenching.